Hello my paper crafting family, welcome to the craft edition of this Mother's Day Paper and Joy. So the craft we are going to be making is two of these little fridge magnets. So I thought maybe you might like to include that in your gift for mum, or maybe use it yourself. So that's up to you what you would like to do with them, but I thought that was a fun little craft that we will do this month. So let's get crafting. For this month I am filming this of an evening due to school holidays, and this is the quietest time of day for me, so apologies for a bit of the glary light. Okay, so this is what you get in your packs. You get a heart, which is gold painted. A fun fact, these were actually from my wedding. Well, I was going to have as my wedding, but we ended up eloping, so I didn't end up using them. So I've had these in my craft stash for several years. My husband and I got married in 2006, so I've been wanting something to do, find something to do with these little wooden hearts that I'd painted gold all way back when, and now I have found something. So hopefully you enjoy using those as magnets. Some of this paper, which has got the cream paper with a beautiful gold dots, for want of a better word. A magnet. These are pretty strong actually, so they should hold things tightly. And one of these little cute pegs. Now, if you don't want to, now you've got enough to make two magnets, so you'll have two of each of these. If you don't want to put the clip on and the peg on, and you just want to have it as a decorative magnet, that's fine. So up to you how you'd like to design your magnet. Okay, you will also need a pair of scissors, a pencil, some glue, and in your packs I also popped in, now hopefully it's transported well because I popped it in a plastic bag in case there were leaks that shouldn't have leaked, but hopefully it's arrived safe and well to you, all in its packet. So this is some liquid PVA glue. So I thought everyone could have one of those for future crafting projects that we do, but we'll also use it for this magnet as well. And of course some scrap paper for gluing. So alright, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, you might notice, well, I'll get you to have a look, that the hearts are a little bit curved. So we're going to put the magnet on the bit that curves out, just so that sticks really well, and the paper on the bit that curves in. Okay, I figured that should hold everything best. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is get our heart piece from our paper. So we're going to use our heart, wooden heart, to make that. So we're just going to trace around the heart. And cut that out. Just on the line is fine, you don't need to go in or outside the line like we normally have to be wary of when we're doing some of our craft things. So just a nice snip into the heart, and then the easiest way, particularly when you're doing heart shapes, is to then cut that excess piece out, because then you're not trying to sort of, doesn't get in the way when you're trying to cut the second half of the heart. Okay. Okay. Alright, so for this first bit we're going to use our glue stick. And we're going to put glue both on the heart shape and on the paper, just to make sure it sticks. Again, right to the edges. and on our heart. Often a double layer of glue just helps things bond a bit better. And then just turn it over and make sure it's sort of centre lined with on the paper. And for this little craft project, we may need to be a little bit patient. Well, we will need to be patient, particularly when we're gluing the magnet on. But this one you might need to just wait till that's properly dry before you continue on. But at the moment, I think that's okay. We'll pop the peg on as well. Doesn't matter which way you do it. So we're just going to put a good amount of glue on. Now, if you want, you can use your liquid glue, and I like to put again a double strip on to make sure it sticks nicely. Now this one you're going to line up, the bottom will line up in the apex of the heart, and then the top for this centerpiece of the heart as well. Okay, it might be better. I think it's because I haven't waited, but I'm getting impatient. So yeah, this will need some drying time, this glue, preferably overnight. And not too much, because otherwise it will squish out. So you can do it with the glue stick or the liquid, the PVA glue. I think I did my sample one with the glue stick, and that worked fine. Okay, but when we turn it over, we will use the PVA for the magnet, and this is the bit you have to wait, which doesn't sit well with me. I want to be able to use things straight away. Anyway, so pop a nice bit of glue on, not too close to the edge because it will squish out, but a nice bit in the centre. Pop it in the middle. And then turn it over to let it dry. Okay. And then that's it. Then we wait. Okay, so that is your craft project. You get to make 2 of these and enjoy them. Pop them on your fridge, pop them on if you've got a magnetic notice board. So enjoy those, give them as a Mother's Day gift, or use them for yourself. That's up to you. So I hope you enjoyed that little craft, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye for now.